In this video, we're going to walk you through how to export leads from Housecall Pro, a powerful tool that streamlines your business operations. If you're new to Housecall Pro, or even if you've been using it for a while, exporting your leads can save you tons of time and make your business more efficient. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to quickly export leads, making your workflow smoother and easier. Before we dive in, I want to remind you that you can use Housecall Pro completely free with our exclusive bonuses. Just check out the first link in the description below for access to a free trial and some additional perks. Now let's get into it. Housecall Pro is a fantastic tool for managing all aspects of your service-based business. It includes everything from scheduling and invoicing to lead management. So let's focus on how to export leads in the most efficient way possible. To get started, log into your Housecall Pro account. Once you're in, head to the Leads section. This is where you'll find all the contacts and potential customers who have reached out to your business. It's where the magic happens for your marketing efforts, and exporting this data is a breeze. Next, you'll see an option for filtering the leads. You can choose to filter them based on certain criteria like date range or lead status. This is great if you want to focus on certain segments of your leads, like all the new inquiries from the past month or the leads that have been marked as pending. After selecting your filters, it's time to export the data. Look for the Export button, which is typically located at the top of the leads page. Click that, and you'll be given the option to export your leads in a CSV format. CSV is a standard file format that works perfectly with programs like Excel or Google Sheets, making it easy to analyze your data or import it into your CRM. Once the export is complete, you'll have a file on your computer that contains all the information you need: names, contact details, job descriptions, and any other relevant data tied to your leads. You can now take that file and use it for follow-ups, marketing campaigns, or other purposes in your sales process. Keep in mind that exporting your leads regularly is a great way to keep your data organized and ready for analysis. The more you can automate this process, the less time you'll spend manually tracking down lead information. At this point, you should have a good understanding of how to export leads from Housecall Pro, and I hope this helps streamline your business. Remember, this software is available for free, and with our exclusive bonuses, you get an extended free trial to explore all of its powerful features. Now that you know how to export leads from Housecall Pro, use it to grow your business and save time. If you have any other questions or need more tips on using Housecall Pro, feel free to check out the other videos on this channel. Thanks for watching, and make sure to grab that free trial through the link in the description below. You'll get the full experience without any commitment.